What's up guys, Ryan with the MXG channel, back today with some more moto news. And I'll be honest, I'd kind of forgotten about this bike. It had slipped my mind for the last few months, but it is one of my favorite releases of the year. So cool. It's the KTM 450 Rally Replica. Bike is absolutely amazing. Now, the one bummer about it is I never get to see one. That's because there's super limited production. Only 70 units this year. Can't remember how many they did last year, but it's always right around 50 to 100 units. And basically what this is, guys, is a purpose-built, ready-to-race rally bike using the 450 power plant, but it's got a different frame. It's got like a trellis frame. It's got different body work, and the body work's made to implement the tank system. That's you know, got like a rally style tank on each side, holds like 8 gallons of gas. It's got the rally tower all implemented in, so you can put charts and computers and all that stuff. It's got a different seat. It is a drastically different bike. It comes stock with the cone valve setup, and as well as an Akrapovic exhaust. So the point of this bike is really a guy that has money, or you know, has some support but needs a bike, has a lot of sponsors but needs a bike. You can go buy this bike and go race, you know, rally races all over the world, and it's going to be ready to go. Whereas if you tried to build one of these from a 450 platform, yes, it can be done, but a lot of this stuff can be kind of hard to find right now, and probably is not going to work in conjunction as well as one that's built from KTM. So it's really cool, guys. I hope to get to see one of these in person soon. But as far as price, I haven't nailed down the exact price yet, but usually these are around $30,000. It seems high, but when you take into account that a regular 500 EXC is 12,500 now, and by the time you add cone valves and this body work and this tank and the Akrapovic, I mean, it's you couldn't build it in the same way for that price. So very cool. Hopefully some more details and some walk-arounds and stuff will pop out as this bike becomes available. I actually don't know how you order one of these. You can go to the ktm.com and hit find a dealer. I don't know if there's specific dealers that get these, or if you have to make a payment, make a deposit at your dealer, and then they can get one. It's probably something like both. So yeah guys, a very cool bike. Check out KTM's video over on their YouTube channel. They'll give you some more details about it and show some action shots of it. So yeah, pretty cool. All kinds of special editions bikes coming out from KTM, and now really all the manufacturers. So there's always some exciting motorcycle news to talk about it. So yeah, want to make you guys aware of that. And yeah, it's a beautiful day here in Appalachia. I'm going to try to enjoy it, so hope you guys do too. See you in the next one.